So I just want to go over hybrid inverters and a few of the hybrid inverters I like and a few of them that I don't like.
We have the SMA 5000, which is one of the cheapest. I would say this one runs about 10 grand. It's on the COCT list. Okay, over here you can see that it clearly has CAN and RS485 protocol for the batteries, as well as the parallel communication ports. So you can basically just parallel left to right with these ports, and then of course your battery BMS to your master battery goes in there, and then you just parallel your batteries from there. Alright, on EPS, they're putting the inverter section of it on and off. Over here you have some of your dry contacts, so you can basically just set your dry contacts to engage a relay if the power goes off or something like that. But the Wi-Fi, that's your Wi-Fi dongle. That's one of the most frustrating parts about this inverter, is the Wi-Fi dongle and its settings. And then the last thing is this corrosion on all the fans is very imminent with all of these at the coast. Okay, if you look over here, we've got a positive and negative volt battery. Normally we want to be running that with at least 25 mil onto the 5 kilowatt. So over here we have dual MPPTs, we have AC input, AC output. So this is obviously your load, and then as well as generator input. So there's a lot of functionality that comes with the 10 grand that you pay for the Luxpower. It's actually a lot of value. But like I say, if you want the best, these will rust. You want the aluminium frame by the coast, and in my opinion, if it's fanless, it's better, because I mean, look how these fans look. You have to like completely empty them the whole time. So if they can run fanless without thermal runaway, this is one of the best things to do. Over here we have Axpert King. Obviously they have PV input, they only have one MPPT. This one has a low voltage MPPT to absolutely parallel it the whole time, your panels. So you go 2 panels or 3 panels, and then you have to do it again with 2 panels or 3 panels, so those match, and then you can pair them up to this, which is not very effective. The range of the MPPT is absolutely not very good. But furthermore, I must say they have been quite reliable. I've had less faults on the Axpert Kings than I've had on the Luxpowers. So these have to be held on trolleys or used off-grid. They cannot be connected to the national grid. Okay, so the Axpert King, the Synapse, and the Luxpower are all high-frequency inverters. Alright, and over here we got our Victron, which is a low-frequency inverter. I obviously love the toroidal transformer with the DIDT protection. I really think it can handle surge way better, and these things have been locally and internationally praised. They are just really expensive. So at the end of the day, Victron actually outprices itself.